Top 1 Trader Review 2025. Is it the right funded trading platform for you? Most people get funded trading platforms wrong by assuming all of them have the same rules and benefits. In 2025, Top 1 Trader stands out for its structured program and funding options. Top 1 Trader offers simulated challenges that traders must pass to qualify for live funding. You won't believe what happens next once you pass. You can trade company capital with defined risk parameters, keeping a portion of profits. It's ideal for traders who want real capital without risking personal funds. The surprising truth is that Top 1 Trader emphasizes risk management and discipline, providing detailed dashboards to monitor trades, profits and losses. The platform supports multiple assets including forex, indices and commodities. However, challenges have strict rules including maximum daily loss limits and required consistency, which can be tough for beginners. Fees are transparent, and the profit split is competitive compared to similar funded programs. In conclusion, Top 1 Trader in 2025 is well suited for disciplined traders who want to trade real capital with guidance and accountability. If you're committed, follow rules carefully, and want access to funded accounts, it's a platform worth exploring. Casual traders may find the rules restrictive, so consider your experience level before joining.